A partnership with local doggy daycare and children's hospital is making it possible for employees to get back to work after Hurricane Ida. The partnership is with Macs Doggie Retreat, the city's first black-owned pet daycare center. Joining us now with more on that is the owner of the daycare center, Doggie Daycare Center, Courtney McWilliams, and Jonathan Brook, Chief Operating Officer at Children's Hospital in New Orleans. And that's one of the big things. I mean, we see people not evacuate because of their pets. Sometimes it's hard to go back to work also because of pets.
Yeah, it is. It is definitely hard to go back to work because of your pet. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
And now, how did this partnership with Children's Hospital get started? And what exactly does it do?
Okay. Someone inboxed me on Facebook and asked me if I would be interested in a partnership. And I stated, yeah, why not? And that's how it got started. And what we're doing here at Macs is providing daycare services for those who were affected by Hurricane Ida.
And Jonathan, how is this helping your staff members?
It's been a huge help. We are so proud to partner with Courtney and Macs Daycare to be able to support a woman-owned, black-owned business here in New Orleans is something that's really important to us as Children's Hospital. And it's been a huge relief for our team members. We need the team back at Children's Hospital to take care of sick kids in our community, and Courtney and her team here at Mac are making that possible for us.
And now a lot of the staff at Children's Hospital still working long shifts?
Our shifts are their normal length, but our team has certainly stood in the gap during and after the storm. We had teams that were locked down in the hospital with us during and after the storm. Fortunately, this week we've been able to get back to normal operations. We have almost all of our locations across the New Orleans metro area back open, and certainly all of the services and the great care you're accustomed to at Children's Hospital remains available.
And Courtney, when the storm hit, did you keep open and let people board their pets so they could evacuate, or what did you guys do?
No, we actually evacuated to Dallas with a few dogs, and I was able to board those dogs at Smart Dog Dallas.
Okay. And now, how did you get your business started? How long have you been in business?
I've been in business since 2015. I actually started in my home, and I transitioned to a brick and mortar in 2019.
All right. Now, for Children's Hospital, are they just doing the doggy daycare? I noticed you have a spa for dogs too. Do they get spa treatment as well?
Unfortunately, they're not getting a spa treatment, but it is offered to them. Right now, they're just doing the doggy daycare service.
Just out of curiosity, what is spa treatment for a dog? I mean, do they get a rub down, nails done?
Yes, indeed. They get a rub down. They get a wash, deep condition, a massage, blowout, nail cut, hair dye, fingernails dyed, polished if they want it.
Yeah, it's the real deal here. They got a ton of great services. The staff here is excellent. You can tell the dogs are having a great time. I'm a dog owner myself, so it means a lot to me personally that Courtney is available here for our team. It's a cool place.
And Jonathan, we can switch subjects for a while. How many COVID patients are you guys still dealing with over there?
This Delta variant is continuing to have a big impact on kids. We've been hovering between 8 or 10 patients in-house with COVID-19 disease over the last several weeks, and that's held steady. I think good news across the state, we're starting to see overall hospitalizations trend back down. I think we're down to about 50% of where the peak was earlier this month. And so some good news and hoping that trend holds.
Yeah, and kids are making up almost 30% of the COVID cases we're seeing now.
That's right. We know that the best way to keep kids safe is to get vaccinated, maintain your social distance, really surround those kids with other folks that are vaccinated. So continue to do that, wash your hands, stay safe, and hopefully all this continues to trend in the right direction.
All right, Courtney, Jonathan, thank you very much. Courtney, congratulations on the business. Jonathan, congratulations on the partnership now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. Let's get over it.
You too.
Well, we're going to have a wet day. We know that for sure.